this is your set of information. What we can do is we can go in and enter these as our data points. So if we go to our data matrix editor, current, and again, we can just write over the top of them or we can clear the whole thing. So I'm going to hit F1 to clear. And I'm just going to enter these as I go down. Again, you don't want to don't put in the 14,000. Okay, we're going to extrapolate the data for that. All right, once you get all your data entered, F5 Calculate tab, choose Linear Regression, which is number 5, assign the columns, C1 for the x's, C2 for the y's. Let's put this in the y editor. This time I'm going to put it in Y2 just to show that you can change it. And when you look at this, you get your equation. And now in looking at or coming to help some students, what I found was a lot of times you guys are missing the negative sign. Okay? So if you look right here, think about, first of all, just look at the data. As the x's go up, are the y values going up or down? If they're going down, right, if they're getting lower, then you know your slope, your initial leading coefficient should be a negative number. So that could help gauge too. If you check and see you have a negative 0.001861. Again, I don't know what I asked you to round to, but 213, and the 3's repeat. Okay, when you look at the correlation coefficient too, you can see that it's almost a -1, so negative 0.999995. Okay, so again, this is a pretty good set of data. It's pretty accurate as far as this equation will give you the correct values. Okay, so what we can now do is to evaluate for 14,000 is again go back to the home screen. I inserted this in the Y2 equation. So if I just enter Y2 parentheses 14,000 and then evaluate that, it gives me my answer, which would be 186.15 degrees.